Meaning of graduation.
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 Graduation. Graduation refers to the completion of one's academic studies, typically at the high school or college level. It is a significant milestone in a person's life and marks the end of a chapter while also presenting new opportunities for growth and development. Graduation ceremonies often involve the presentation of diplomas, speeches from notable figures, and celebrations with family and friends. This event signifies the culmination of years of hard work and dedication, and serves as a stepping stone towards achieving future goals and aspirations.